Hey guys, stay tuned to see how I created this beautiful decor. So I got these two birch branch from Michael's. They were pretty cheap. It was on sale, and I got this wreath from Target. It was on sale. It had joy hanging from it, and I just cut it off. So I'm going to bedazzle this basically. So I am wiring the two logs together with floral wire, and I am then going to secure the wreath on top of it using the floral wire. So make sure you secure both ends of the birch. Now I'm adding a little glue just to further secure it, and I'm covering the wire with some rope here using hot glue. Now this is when I'm going to secure the wreath on top using the floral wire, and I secure it in three places. Now that's what it looks like. Pretty sturdy, and it's pretty cute so far. Now I'm going to just jazz it up. I have this ribbon I got from Target. It was like 99 cents. I'm going to wrap the metal part of the wreath with it. It has a little bling to it. So I'm going to use hot glue to secure that ribbon. And I have a piece of foliage here. I'm curving it towards the shape of the circle, and then I'm going to be adding all my items into the wreath with using hot glue. So just add whatever items you have to decorate this. And at the end, what I'm going to do is add light to it, and that's what it looks like. It was a pretty quick decor to make. I hope you like it. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Click on the bell so you get alerts when I upload my videos. Thanks again, and I'll see you next time.